Hi friends, this is Lady Flora, and we have been learning a lot about the Middle Ages in our classical conversations, cycle 2. And so we decided it would be really fun to make a castle out of cardboard. And we just kind of raided our recycle bin, and we found this box for sandwich thins and some toilet paper rolls, and we just kind of glued them together with hot glue. And this was the tricky part. I had to try and get some gray paint, and I was using up lots of odd little bottles of white paint and some black paint until finally I got something that was kind of gray, and my daughter and I had a lot of fun painting this together. We recently read a story about King Arthur, and it described the castle that he lived in before he became king. And they said it had 4 walls and 4 towers and a drawbridge and a moat going all the way around it. So that was my inspiration to make this castle. And I also thought it would be really fun for my daughter to play with when we finished making it. I asked her which color she would like to pick for the rooftops of the towers, and she picked purple. And I just kind of freehand cut those out. It's always a little bit tricky to make a paper cone, but we did it with hot glue and they worked out pretty well, I think. I like how tall they are. I think it gives the castle a more whimsical fairy tale kind of look. And my daughter loves to play with her hands and pretend that they are puppies, so that is what she's doing if you see her little hands fluttering around. And I'm using my X-Acto knife to make the drawbridge, and I'm just cleaning up some of those white edges. And I found this large piece of cardboard. It came from a diaper box, and it's the perfect size. So we just glued the castle onto it, and now we're painting the moat around it. Here's the grass, and we have to make a little pathway going right up to the drawbridge, of course. And here it is. We had lots of fun making this. Thanks so much for watching. And now I want to hear what you have to say, so like, share, subscribe, and comment away. And after you do that, go outside and have a sublime day.